In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a Game Pass for Please Donate here on Roblox. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you didn't know, in order to actually get a donation button here on Please Donate, you're going to have to create Game Passes. Once you can do that, people can donate Robux to you through the game. So to actually create a Game Pass, you're first going to want to actually go to the web version of Roblox by typing roblox.com on the web version of the app. And this doesn't have to be, specifically on PC. You can do this on mobile as well. But go ahead and hit create up in the top, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. From here, go ahead and select, your experiences on this homepage and open this up. And you're going to want to make sure that this is public first. This will not work unless it's public. So make sure that your experience is public, and then scroll down on the left-hand sidebar till you see this monetization tab. And then in here, you're going to see a passes subcategory. Open that up. And from here, you're going to want to select create a pass. Enter in your name, enter in that description, and then go ahead and hit create pass. And this is completely free to do, but once you go ahead and create that pass, essentially you'll see a left-hand sidebar again up here. Go ahead and select sales and list it for sale by just ticking this box on. And this is where you're going to want to set that default price. So set that default price, for example, 1 Robux, and then hit save changes all the way down in the bottom of the screen. Now, as soon as you do that and the item is listed for sale, you're essentially good to go. You can actually back out of the web version of Roblox. And once you go ahead and do that, go back to Please Donate, get loaded into the game. And then from here, just go up to literally any stand. It doesn't really matter what stand you do. Hit E to interact with it, and you'll see that pass listed on here. As you can see, this is the exact pass that we just made. From here, people can go ahead and donate to you, and it really is as simple as that. Stay tuned for some more videos on this. I'm going to make videos on how to break it down like this and make it look really cool. Just keep in mind, whatever the price of your pass is at Roblox will take 30% of that. So if it's, 10 Robux, for example, you're only going to get 7 Robux out of the 10 because Roblox is going to take the rest. So I definitely wouldn't recommend just putting it at like 1. I'd probably choose a different one as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.